Yes, it's June 21.
When I say Jor, you say Ja. Jor?
Ja.
Jor?
Georgia.
Jor?
Ja.
Jor?
Ja.
Where are we?
We're going to the airport, guys.
Where are we going?
We're going to enjoy the Romania.
Good morning, everyone. I'm check 3 o'clock in the morning and we need to prepare going to Sharjah Airport.
Wake up. Let's go to Sharjah Airport. It's time for Georgia. Good morning.
It's June 21.
Yes, it's June 21.
Your stuff. Sure.
Where are we going? Okay.
Christoph, are you excited?
Nice.
Where are you going?
Jojo Romania, but the plane is dead.
Hi! Katapos na namin sa immigration. Papasok na kami. When I say Jor, you say Ja. Jor?
Ja.
Jor?
Georgia.
Jor?
Ja.
Jor?
Ja.
French fries. And I want this.
Isa rin pala sila.
Mm.
Don't play with it again.
Our first meal of the day. Light lang.
Okay, very good.
Mommy,
Mix muna natin.
you make the spaghetti.
Ready ka na?
Good.
Jiggy, 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 jiggy. Jiggy, 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 jiggy. Jiggy, 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 jiggy.
Are you excited also? Si Vito is also excited. I love you, Mama. I love you, si Vito. Hello guys. Kaming dalawa lang ni si Vito. Kasi nag-bathroom si Lola and si Christoph. At si Mama naman ay naghahanap ng kanyang picture taking. Oh, she's here. Ting.
Hi.
Where did you go?
I took pictures.
Okay.
Hey, you little boy. Kandong-kandong kita mamaya, ha? You're gonna wear your little jacket, okay? You're gonna wear your little jacket. Pag malamig ha, wear ka ng jacket, okay? Hi guys, so we're just waiting for the boarding time, mga 8:25. Meron pa kami 20 minutes. Na bebe, we have 20 minutes to board. So boarding time.
Ride the airplane, come on. Okay, 10 minutes before boarding. Diyan kami sa gate 22 mag-board. Within 10 minutes. Okay, see you later. Okay, boarding time. Charm, boarding time. Mama,
Hi.
are you excited, Christoph?
Yeah.
Ano to iiwanan?
May mukhang naiwan. May mukhang naiwan eh. Where are we?
We're going to the airport bus.
We are at the airport bus.
The airport, what is airport bus?
Okay.
Because that is the way
Look at the view. Look at si Vito. Si Vito. Are you excited?
Mas may isang bote. Milk.
Look. Mommy. Hi. We're going to visit places of airport. Look at the airplane.
Where are we going?
We're going to enjoy the Romania. Look.
Thank you, and enjoy your flight.
Nagchuchup-chup ang baby namin. Parang ako nung bata.
Welcome staff to the aircraft closing doors for departure. This flight is bound to Tbilisi.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your comfort and safety, please watch the cabin crew as they demonstrate safety features. If oxygen masks drop down, pull it to me. Remember, secure your own mask before assisting others.
في حال نزول كمامات الأكسجين اسحبها.
8 emergency exits, which are equipped with an automatic evacuation slide. The cabin crew will now point out the nearest emergency exits to you.
Exactly. Goodness face. I need to sit with Mom and Dada.
Later, we will see.
Ayan o. Look at the window.
We're moving. Our first international travel together with si Vito. Excited? Yes, Dada, I'm excited. Baby is brave. Wow, hindi siya umiyak.
كما يمكنكم دفع ثمن الوجبات عبر بطاقاتكم الائتمانية أو إحضار خدمة التأكيد المجانية سكاي تايم متوفرة على متن الطائرة.
Hi. Look at them, I'm flying. I can see the ocean. Look, this is the
في مشاريع التأمين والرعاية الصحية. لمعرفة المزيد عن مبادرات سحاب الخير
Alma and your dinos. And we get to show you have a comfortable and enjoyable flight. Now that we're in the air, I would like to share a few important details about today's flight. For your safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened. As a reminder,
Look at that. Look, Mama. Lola, Dada, look at the skyline. Like a map. Oh, that's like a map. You can see. See, it's like an
So, hey guys! Short story lang. So, finally, nasa plane na kami. Tulog si Bonso. After all the struggles naman.
Kaya nga.
So, ang nangyari kasi niyan, supposedly our flight was dapat sa Abu Dhabi. So, since sa mga pangyayari nga sa paligid, na-cancel kami. So, we had to look for another flight and we find here in Sharjah Airport. So, ayun. Pagdating ng umaga, yung pick-up dapat namin is 4. So, alas 4, naisipan namin tawagan na namin yung driver kasi hindi siya nag-update. So, pagtawag ko, nagulat na lang ako, parang bagong gising. Tapos may naghihilik sa tabi niya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pa siya papunta. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, papunta na daw siya. Wait lang. So, yun, medyo na-imbiyer na ang beauty mo. Dumating naman siya, mga after 30 minutes. Sa karating naman kami on time, at least. So,
More than 30 minutes.
more than 30 minutes. So, sabi niya darating daw siya ng within 30 minutes. Pero more than 30 minutes siya dumating.
I need to talk. Say.
Nakikigulo yung anak kong panganay.
Marcelo.
So ngayon, pagdating namin ng aeroplano, smooth naman lahat. Everything sa airport, very smooth. Hanggang sa nakasakay na kami ng airplane. Ayun, may eksena na naman yung isang pasahero. Sinisipa daw siya ni Christoph, hindi man naninipa na upuan si Christoph. Ay niya lang nauuga yung upuan niya ng konti kasi nagdo-drawing si Christoph doon sa likod. Pinipili, akala mo nasa harap sila mama. Syempre family kami na may maghiwalay. Gusto ba naman niya maghiwalay kami at lumipat daw yung bata? Syempre hindi pwede. Ayun, lumipat naman siya. Pinagbigyan naman yung gusto niya. Parang kakaloka. Ang ending, siya lumipat. Oh, kami ang nandito. Kaloka. Syempre hindi kami lilipat, family kami. Gusto niya kami paghiwalay. Yun lang. That's all.
So, meron silang airplane movies. Pero kailangan mo na sa ilang cellphone or tablet. So, kailangan mo lang mag-log in sa kanilang SkyTime Wi-Fi. Then, you can choose movies, TV shows, or video clips. It's either movies, TV shows, kids audio, games. Not bad, right?
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? If there is Mr. Arun Arjunan on board, please identify your...
At
sponsor food.
It's chicken biryani. Yum, yum, yum.
Ako, nakatitig na naman. Kristo, pinag yung biryani.
Habis maubos ko na. Yan talaga pag may baby, salita na ng kainan. Ano, masarap? Here's my little boss. This is a little boss. Are you enjoying your flight? Enjoying your trip, baby? Yeah. Yeah, you enjoying your trip? Guys, sinanggal namin yung sapatos niya kasi kanina pa niya tinatanggal. Para hindi mawala. Inabad ko muna. Na. Kasi makulit ka na.
Turn mo naman kumain, ikaw naman daw. Eat well.
Going down.
Aray ko. Sabi niya, wow.
Oh, it's a rainbow. Look, it was flowers right.
Sana all na internet.
Kaya.
Welcome to Tbilisi, Georgia.
Go to
Now close it, close it.
We're all landing,
We are landing now.
We're all here in the airport. This is airport.
Touchdown! Touchdown, Tbilisi!
سيداتي وسادتي، لقد هبطنا بسلامة الله تعالى. نرجو من حضراتكم البقاء جالسين في مقاعدكم.
Hey.
في المقاعد
Hey, Georgia.
قبل مغادرة الطائرة يرجى أخذ جميع أمتعتكم الشخصية، كما يرجى أخذ الحذر.
Alright, already at Tbilisi. Stop, come on. Fast, fast, fast. We're here. Christoph. Finally. Charmaine.
Hi. We're here.
Hi, Charm. Ay, hindi pala jet. Bakit ito yung nasa ano, sa lalaki kaganina na na-offload. Yung nasa unahan namin na-offload eh. Hindi siya nakapasok. Kawawa naman si kuya. No, Charmy, isang lalaki no na-offload.
Ha?
Baka yan yung sa kanya, baka
Oo.
baka baggage na yan.
Oo nga, no?
Mama, nakapasok na tayo sa immigration. Kinakabahan pa si mama. We're here in Georgia. Nakabili na rin kami ng SIM card na good for 7 days unlimited data. Ito yung aming sundo. Super mom, look at that. May bag sa likod, may dalawang trolley, at may fit na baby.
Look, you gotta go.
By Georgia Airport. Welcome to Georgia, Christoph.
To Georgia, I need it.
Georgia.
Mama.
Welcome.
I smell so bad. It's like a sweet.
This is the Georgia Airport. Yan kami galing kaganina.
What's the transport the airport?
Pangalan? Shota Gustaveli Tbilisi International Airport. Bye bye. See you again next time. Wish you health and peace of mind. do you want to do, Crystal?
I want to go in the whatever.
We will go first in our hotel, and then we will eat, and then we will go around the city, okay?
No, okay.
Okay.
I want to go down.
Yan, ito yung mga mall nila. East Point Shopping Center. Yeah, East Point Shopping Center. Yan lang ako nakita ng gasoline station. Gasoline station pala sila dito. We're here at our hotel. Time check. 4:30. Where are we?
We're not. We're in Georgia Hotel.
Voyager Hotel in Georgia.
Georgia Hotel is in Oh, this is elevator.
Yes. Oh, press. Okay.
And this is that's to go out.
Show me. We're just checking in. Para pahinga ng konti bago lumabas. Hi everyone! We are now at our hotel. At Voyager Hotel. Nasa lobby chair ng bathroom. Here's one double bed and one king bed. Hi Christoph!
Hi.
Yan si baby. Papahinga. And here's our view. Meron siyang terrace. Isa to sa mga tourist spot eh. Kaso hindi ko pa alam kung anong pangalan ng church or monastery na to. Here's the view outside of our hotel. Christoph!
Hi.
Sabi sa amin nung nag-drop sa aming service driver kanina from airport, nasa center daw kami, so malapit daw ang lahat. So we'll see later. After namin mag-unpack ng mga gamit, maglilibot-libot kami
Dada,
today.
what's that sound?
Dahil today ay free day lang naman namin.
Dada, what's
Tumaga
that
pa yung
sound?
tours namin, so
What's
we'll
this
see.
sound? Like that ding.
That is from the church.
What is that?
That's a church or a monastery. It came from that. Okay?
Like a museum.
Yes. Georgian buffet. Mama! Grabe. Nakakapagod, guys. It's 7:14, but see, the sunlight is still up. Okay.
Hey guys.
Welcome to Georgia Underpass.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next vlog.